Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the light on your Hunter fan remote is not working, it can make things confusing because you may not know whether the remote is sending signals properly or if there is a connection issue with the fan itself. Sometimes the remote still controls the fan, but the light indicator stays off, while in other cases both the light and button stop responding completely. This can happen because of battery issues, weak contact points, button problems, or a small interruption between the remote and the ceiling fan receiver. Since the Hunter fan remote depends on proper battery power and communication to function correctly, even a small issue can affect how it behaves. The big thing is that in many situations, this problem can be fixed in just a few minutes without replacing the remote. In this video, I will show you step by step how to easily fix a Hunter fan remote light not working. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries in the Hunter fan remote and make sure the Hunter fan remote battery placement is correct. Step 2. Clean the battery contacts inside the Hunter fan remote to improve the Hunter fan remote connection. Step 3. Press different buttons on the Hunter fan remote and check if the Hunter fan remote responds normally. Step 4. Point the Hunter fan remote directly toward the Hunter ceiling fan to test the Hunter fan remote signal. Step 5. Turn off power to the Hunter ceiling fan briefly and reconnect the Hunter ceiling fan to refresh the Hunter fan remote connection. Step 6. Test the Hunter fan remote again and confirm the Hunter fan remote light is working properly.